Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Girl has came through with a huge Shein haul. I hope you guys enjoy the video and just let me know in the comments section down below any of the items have you seen on Shein haul. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to drop it down in the comment section below and I will check you out a little bit later in the video, okay? Got some socks, okay? Brown, but on camera it's showing off kind of greenish, so I don't know why it's doing that. This is yellow, but the lighting is showing different right there. Got white. I got more of like a orangey type color, and then I got brown like this. This really nice shirt. It is ruffled on the sides here. I got this one in a large, okay? And then you're gonna see it in casual. This one I got in a medium. This one is a little see-through. It is see-through, very transparent. Something really nice that I can wear to work, or a casual pants here. So they're black and white. I love this item. This one I got in a large. It does have like a little stretch. So always pay attention that when you're ordering off of Shein that you're looking at the stretch. A corduroy brown skirt with a zipper. So this goes exactly in the front. I love this skirt here. I got this one in a large. So it's US 810, okay? It fits really perfect on me, as you're going to see in a few minutes. What I got is a size large. So this is kind of like a purple shirt, long sleeve, very appropriate attire to wear right now. I live in the state of Florida, so it is a little chilly out, so therefore I can wear this to work, whatnot. I like the material of it. It does have a stretch. I got it in a size large because I really don't order a lot of clothes at all from Shein or anything offline, because I don't really know how it's going to fit. So I just took a chance and just ordered a lot of my shirts in large. This white shirt here, it's a white collared shirt. This one is in a size large. I could have gotten a medium. Child, this shirt is kind of big on me, so now I know that some of my shirts I could have gotten in a size medium, but again, this was just trial and error, and I know next time. But I like this shirt. It is a little transparent, just a little bit, but it's really cute. Like, I really like it. It is short sleeve. You can tailor, well, you can pair this with a blazer, a nice little cute jacket, leather jacket. It is thin. It fits really big on me, so I could have gotten this one in a medium. So if you plan on getting these type of shirts like this and you're a woman of my size, then you'll probably want to get a medium, all right, because this shirt is big. Similar to it, except for I got it in yellow, except for it doesn't have the little string across. It's just a straight v-neck, short sleeve, and again, I could have gotten a medium because this is kind of big. It's a little bit like the first shirt that I showed you with the little ruffles on the side. I mean, cinched in on the side here. I like those. I think these, let me get the actual size. No, I got this in a medium. Yeah, this was a medium. So I could have gotten a large, and yeah. It's really nice and comfortable, nice fit. It does have a stretch to it, so if you're okay with getting a medium and you want it to be cinched in on your body, then you will want to get a medium. But if you want to be comfortable, I say get a large like skirt here. I got this one in a medium because it does stretch here, and it's long, and it has a nice little slit on the side somewhere. It does have like an elastic band right here, so you can wear it high-waisted, very casual. Pair this with your Air Force Ones, like the low top Air Force Ones, and put on a nice cute little jacket and shirt whatnot, and you can still wear this, especially in Florida. I can still wear this. I really love this color. It looks so freaking cute. I love it, I love it, I love it. It's a little semi turtleneck. I don't really like turtlenecks, but it does come close to it. This one, I believe I got it in a medium. Not all the shirts are. Wait, did I get this in a, why isn't the price? Yeah, I got it in a medium. Material feels extremely good. Feels nice and soft. It's really cute black shirt. This one has to be in a medium. Nope, it's a large. So this one here is a large. I probably could have gotten a medium, but it does fit. It does have a little slight stretch to it. So anything that basically had a slight stretch, I tried to get it in a medium, or a large, I'll try to get it in a large. So it's short sleeve, very sheer like material. You can see through it like that. I love the material and how it feels. This has no sleeves at all, but it's really, really cute. I love how it looks. I love the abstract of the patterns here. It's really soft. Got this in a large, okay? So yeah. Oh wow, I didn't even know I had ordered this. Okay, so I'm gonna need a black tank top, of course, to go underneath. But this is straight up sheer. I don't know what I was doing, but anywho, it's so cute. I love how it's like satin here at the cuffs. It's satin around the collar. Skirt. I love this black skirt. It does have a little smell to it. Okay, it does have the little scrunches on the side. It zips up in the back. I got this one in a medium, and I thought I changed it to a large. No, I got this. Wait, is this large? No, this is large. I should have gotten an X large. Skirts. I got this one in a large, okay? And I was able to get away with this large. So it zips up in the front right here. So this is so cute. I love these type of skirts that hugs, you know, your hips and thighs. I have thick thighs, so these type of skirts look really good on my body. So yeah, shirt here is kind of like cinched in at the chest area right here, but it's long sleeve. The material feels really, really nice. It's slightly transparent, but yeah, I love how it looks. You can wear this with a pair of jeans. You can dress it up however. You can wear this to church if you want. You know, this really looks good. Like, I love neutral colors. It looks so cute. Here I liked it because of the print. So I tried to be a little bit different. Instead of just getting like plain neutral colors, tried to find shirts that has prints in them, because I don't really own anything really with prints. So I like how, you know, the detail of this. It has like the zipper here in the front. It feels more like of a set. This one I had got makeup on as I was trying to take it off, because it's like so fitted around your neck, so it doesn't really have a whole lot of stretch as you're pulling it over your head. Got this one in the size large. I love the print on this black and white shirt. It has no sleeves, of course, and you know, this one fits really, really, really nice. Pink and purple, but I love the designs on here. This one I could have gotten in a medium, just like the other shirts I had showed you. But yeah, short sleeve. It doesn't have a zipper. It does open up around the chest area right there. But I really like it. This one is more like satin. It doesn't have any, like, there's not a whole lot of stretch at all. But it does run big. So if you are my size, get a medium instead of a large. My wardrobe. So yeah, this one has sleeves. I got this one in a size medium. This one does have like a lot of stretch to it. It feels really nice against the skin. It looks really nice. I like it. Really, really cute. Tries to get like a little animal print here. Yeah, girl. I got this set here. I could have gotten a medium, all right? Wait, what is this? This is a small. Why did I get small? Anywho, I could have sworn I got this one for London, but this one is a size small, and this is from Shein. Which is hard to believe. I thought I picked this one up for London because it says small, but I guess not. So I just wanted to say also that I did order London a whole bunch of outfits from Shein. This is my first time really ordering like a bunch of clothes for her. So if you have a young daughter, 11 years old, and that's around the 14 size area, 13, 14, I would suggest and get an X small. All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed my huge Shein haul. Please make sure you go ahead and subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up. That way it'll help me know if you enjoy videos like this. I do plan on mixing everything up because I did a poll on my community tab. If you have not checked that out, please go ahead and voice your opinion on which videos you want to see. Majority seems to like mixing it up, but girl, I'm gonna just give you all of it. I'm gonna just mix it all up for you like you want, all right? But in order for me to do that, please make sure you are watching my videos all the way through, and I will check you out a little bit later. Goodbye, gorgeous.